Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. If you are just joining for the first time, please like, subscribe, share this channel, and God bless you. Please, if you want to be having or receiving COTP update, please join this Telegram group. As you can see, people are joining. The link is on the description. If you want to be receiving COTP update, join this Telegram group now. There is link on this video description that you can use to join. You will be receiving update. Different countries, different members are here from different countries. They are asking questions here and people are replying. They are asking questions on this Telegram group and people are replying. So if you want to be receiving updates, for you to stop asking people updates about COTP, the best thing for you to do is just simply join this Telegram group. As you can see, people are joining already. Just look at, people are joining already. So if you want to be receiving update on COTP update, if you want to be among the first people that we see when COTP comes back, the best thing for you to do is to join this group so that you will be notified immediately COTP comes back. So that is what I have to say right now. So as you can see, many people are joining the group already. Many people are joining already, and many people are asking questions, and many are answering them. So that is it. For you to be receiving updates is just to join this group. So you know that COTP promised us 3 to 5 weeks, and their coming back is almost at hand. So as you can see, people have joined the group. A lot of people have joined, and people are still joining. So for you to receive update, you will see link on the description. Once you see link on the description, you click on it, you join the group. You will be receiving update on COTP. As you can see, a lot of people are joining the group. As you can see, many people are joining the group. So use the link on the description, join the group so that you get COTP update live to your phone, direct to your phone, Telegram. So thank you very much for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel because we also update on COTP update. So that is what I have to tell you this morning. So bye-bye, remain blessed. And if COTP comes back, we are going to celebrate it here on this particular platform. So don't miss out, don't fail to join, because we are going to celebrate it together in this particular platform if COTP comes back. So you don't have to dull. Joining is free. The link is on the description for you to join. So joining this Telegram group, no fees, no charges. It's just free of charge. So you can join the group. You receive updates on how COTP or when COTP comes back. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Bye-bye.